don't be offended. Eh? I'll not waste much of your time.
What is it?
Please, are you from this village?
Yes. Is there any problem about that?
No, there's no problem. I'm Ofli by name, son of the soil of this community. Okay, please, may I know your name?
Why? What for? Okay. My name is Chetajude.
Okay. Ah, what a wonderful...
Ofili! Ofili! So this is how I've been going around this village. I know you, Ofili.
Who called you here? Eh? Which one is your own?
This is just a statement though, and you are lanting. Ofili, I know you. I know you.
Oh God, if I beat you now, they will say I've done something.
Ofili, I'm just warning you. Leave our girls, Ofili. Ofili there.
Please calm down, it's not what you think, okay? Give me time to explain.
Explain what? I don't know why you men of nowadays are such an ingrate. Just take a look at me with all my natural endowment. You still choose those low-life artificial girls. Tell me, who is she?
Baby, that girl is just an ordinary friend. I even told her I have someone, which is you. Baby, okay?
And you want me to believe you?
You have to believe me because you know I love you, baby. So have you forgiven me?
If not for the love I have for you, I won't accept these men as just chameleons.
It's okay.
Forgive
Just
you.
know I love you.
Not too sugar.